Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faisal Nugroho. So in this video, in this part 2 of the tutorial how to build a website from zero using WordPress. So in this video, I will give you a tutorial how to make a page, post, and recommended plugins. And without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay guys, so first to search our subdomain, first you must to write your main website. And my main website is faiz.my.id. And then in write your writer slash and write your subdomain name. So I will write back 9 and this is Big 9 University and enter. So this is our website. I not change anything of this, and in this video we will edit this website. Okay, first we will duplicate the tab, and in the right of our subdomain we write wp admin and then enter. After that write our admin account, that is tutor test and 1 until 5, and then login. So in this is the dashboard. So first I will give you a recommended plugins to build our website. So go to the plugins page, waiting, because okay, we have in the plugin page. So first you must delete okay guys, so first you must to delete unless you can delete useless plugins like this Akismet anti-spam. This is original plugins from the WordPress. You can delete it. Okay, and this is the page layer. This is the page layer is a web builder too, but I not recommended it because in the community there is a nice plugin than page layer, so we will deactivate this page layer because these plugins cannot be deleted. Next to popular FX website templates, we will deactivate too because this is cannot. Oh, page layer can delete, so we will delete it and we will delete it. Okay, hello Dolly. Maybe I will delete it. So in here we only have backup lead, and now we will add new plugins for build our website. So click the add new button, and this button will take us to the community. So first plugin is I recommend to you is Kubio. Okay, Kubio page builder. So Kubio is a plugin for building a page. So and this plugin is easy, not like page layer. It's many things of in page layer is premium. So I will install the Kubio, and it will take a time, so I will continue the video when the Kubio plugin was installed. Okay guys, so the Kubio was installed, so we can click the activate buttons. Okay, activate. Okay, so the Kubio was activated and installed in your WordPress. and then I will give you another plugins. Okay, add new. So in here Kubio was in our plugins, so add new again. So the second plugins I recommend to you, that is Elementor. Okay, wait. So this is the Elementor website builder. Elementor is not like Kubio. Kubio is only builder for the page, but in Elementor, Elementor can build everything like page and post. So Elementor can build a post too. So for this series, I will use the Kubio for building a page and the Elementor for building a post. Okay, so we click the install now, and same like Kubio, the installing process take a long time, and I will continue the video when the Elementor was installed. Okay guys, the Elementor was installed, so I will activate the plugins. Still activate. And for your information, you can choose another plugins, and this is Elementor. So if you don't have an account in Elementor, you can make it, but I will skip it, and skip and skip. Okay, I will skip it. So you don't have to make an account in Elementor, because you can make you can use Elementor without an account. So this is the preview of Elementor. Site letter. Okay, back. So now I will tell you how to build a page. So first, in this all of this page I will delete it. So for all delete, you can click the rectangle in here, and then click okay, all of the page, and you can wait, you can trust it. That feature was vanished. So guys, the feature was deleted, so we have to trace page 1 of 1. Okay, one. Okay, all of the page was deleted. So because this is the college this is the college site, so I will give you a recommend page if you want to make a college site. So if you want to add new page, you can click the add new button in the okay. After that, you can add the title of your page. So first I will make a title that is home. So this is the home page of my main website, and don't forget to publish it, because if you not publish it, the page will not see. Publish. Okay, and then after you publish it, the home page now was access, and then add new page. So I will make a new page that is about us, and then publish again. Don't forget to publish, and then add new page again. And I will make maybe registration, publish. I will make maybe 5 page registration, and then wait, I will get inspiration from a website, a college website. Okay guys, so I will get an inspiration from one website that is ugm.aceh.id. So that the section is about UGM, education, students, and maybe I will make 4 website. I don't have penelitian and pengertian. So thank you ugm.aceh.id. I get inspiration from you. So first, education, and then publish. Wait, this wrong. Okay, I will change it later. So after that we have 4 page, and I will edit it because this is wrong. Educations, and then update the page, and then I will make a new page that is and this is not changed, but you can reload the page of your Google and it will change to education. And I will add new page that is what? Okay, pick again. The students. Add new, and then I will make students achievements. Okay, then publish it. Okay, the page was done, and now maybe I will not teach you about boss because maybe the duration of the video will not comfortable, and then I will teach you a little about appearance. So this is so this is our themes. We will customize these themes first. Because we will change our theme, we must do setting the homepage, because this homepage is not our page. So when we want to edit it, maybe with Cubio, that's not can, because this is not a page, and in somewhere that is an error. So this main page without page will error. So in homepage setting, in the customize, in the appearance, you can click homepage setting and you can choose a static page, and then the homepage you can select home, the page was we created, and then publish. Okay, back again. Okay, so because this home page was be the main page of this website, so we can change the themes. Okay, so I was in appearance. So if you want to change the themes, you can go to appearance, and I will add new the themes. Okay, I will click the add new. So I will search maybe some college templates, and I will back when I found the templates. Okay guys, I cannot find the template because it's lagging in here, and maybe was 15 minutes more, so I will stop the video. So maybe guys, that all from me. Thank you for watching this video, and keep waiting the next part of this video, the third part. And for the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye, see you in the next video.